Today's fire safety tip is about testing your smoke detectors. It's very important to check these regularly, as often as possible. It's important for the smoke detectors to communicate throughout the house. That way if something happens somewhere else, it can notify you quicker to get out of the house. You simply test it by finding the button, you hold it for a few seconds. You should hear multiple rings throughout the house. If this does not work, please contact your local fire department for assistance. And if you have any more questions, reach out to them. Thank you.